Hey, this is Luke from Strut Motors. I'm standing here with a brand new, not a brand new, it's a 2018 Durango RT with a 5.7. Josh is over here and he's going to give me a hand. We're going to show you how to install the Strut Motors strut brace, which is pretty easy. I've got the strut brace sitting over here. I'll bring it out, kind of put it up here so you can kind of see what it looks like. This is a brand new strut brace that we designed and had manufactured locally. It's a USA made piece. There's a couple of tricks to these. They will fit basically 2012, some 2011, all the way to 2018, and possibly all the way to 2020. The one problem that you're going to run into, especially with the Grand Cherokee, because it fits Grand Cherokee and Durango, the one problem that you may run into is if the vehicle is equipped with air suspension, then unfortunately somebody's going to have to disconnect the air suspension, and then reconnect and recharge the air suspension after the fact in order to be able to install it. On this Durango, we don't have that problem. It's pretty simple. And if you get a little closer, Marty, there's a couple of pins, these studs, that need to be grounded. And depending on the year and model, you may have to cut a couple of those studs. On this vehicle, we've already gone ahead and cut the 2 studs that we need to cut. And honestly, I don't know why they're there, but they're there. Possibly on some vehicles there's some additional equipment that those studs may be required for. In this vehicle, they're not. The installation is really quick, especially on a vehicle like this one. It's pretty simple. I'm going to take the strut brace and stick it out of the way for just a second. And what we're going to do, you'll need a 13 millimeter and a 10 millimeter. You want to go ahead, Josh? We'll get that side on done. So you're going to have one 10 millimeter and the rest are going to be all 13s. Pretty easy install. And then we're going to lift the bracket that holds the hood out of place. And then we got this really cool little tool right here that's going to get us to put the hood out so it stays in place. I'm going to do the same thing on these. Pretty straightforward, nothing real complicated. We'll get the bar to come across. It's going to take a little bit of pushing to get it fall into place. We just got to, hang on, this hose needs to come out of the way. I've got to have a set of sticks to cut it. Can you hang on to it for a second? Yep, I got it. I could probably lift it and get it in place. Okay, bring it back down. I can't get it to sneak over. Give me 1 second. Let me get something to cut it with. Sorry about that. I'll get this hose out of my way real quick. This hose out of the way. Got it lined up. Just like that. We install the hardware down. push the hood back up. We'll reinstall the bracket. Just like that, you got the strut brace installed. Of course, it's got our logo. This will fit without any problem on a 5.7, a 6.4. It will not fit the track hawk. It will fit the V6, but on the V6, the back of the cover interferes with the bar. So you got to remove the engine cover, or you would have to trim the back of the cover in order to make it fit properly. So as you can see it, there's our Steve White Performance strut brace installed on a 2018 Durango RT. Again, I'm Luke. This is Josh. Thank you for watching.
Thanks.